Surprise! Sako!
This is what I've been saying since yesterday. Why we're together then?
It's like everything now. Like, oh yeah, I don't like it that way. I like it this way.
You have to do this. Okay, let me remove your hands. We're going to do something.
That's my underwear.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. Hello, mga ka-everything. Look, outside is gloomy. Good morning. Last night, I went to bed 12 something. I closed my eyes because my sister is like, it's crazy. And I told her to video Gonggong, surprise him. And I do pick because I was there. I was talking to her, and then there's all the phone that my brother wants is so expensive. So I just picked the different phone. And
You find a good phone, at least?
yeah. And the thing is, I told her surprise video because I want it in my vlog. Surprise him. She doesn't know how to surprise properly. She just like give the thing. Oh my god. She just give the bag, and then of course he knows already. And then Gonggong, all I can hear is like, it's not real me. Oh, this is not. It's like complaining. What the? I told Inday, get the phone. There's no C11 because that's the only cheap one they have, and the other Realme hand is expensive.
How much difference?
It's 18,000 above the other Realme. Seriously, it's like doesn't even know how to take care of the phone. Seriously, and then the one that I gave him, it's a good phone. It's not really appreciative.
I found it online for the C11s at stores in the Philippines.
No, it's all sold out. People keep buying it, and also good for gaming. That's why he wanted. I forget it.
Right.
I get the phone because it's for your study and you can connect the teacher. That phone is so good, honey. You know how popular Oppo too?
You should have told me before she did that.
Yeah.
You could have bought it online and she could have just picked it up.
Andito daw siya, guys. Try natin. Simbahan namin to, guys. So, hilom. Youth namin, guys. Yan yung kapatid naming bunso. Surprise! Sako!
Oh, really? What the? Ayupo.
Say thank you, ate.
Thank you, ate.
Sayawi dayon og unsa to gong?
Pangit na eh.
Ha?
Sa pila daw nito. Okay, manigong.
599.
599?
5,999.
Realme, bugo man ka?
Wala ang brand nga imong gusto. Pisti, siya pa ikikuan po. Gosyo, buto ani.
Opo, top screen ba? Ah, klaro, pangit eh. Ah, ang cellphone. Hanapay yang kwan liging oh. Ay gung. Yang.
Globe daw ang ibutang nga SIM.
Kinugong. Ni SIM gung, SIM siguro ni dito.
Pero tanawa yang naong te, ate oh, tanawa yang naong.
Pila daw ni te? Murag pareha sa mga do. Huawei lang yung mga. Realme ka kagwapo gid.
Wala ang brand nga yang gusto.
Hirap sigada.
Open.
Open daw.
Mura na guwan, iPhone og
Graphics. Oh, ha. Na pag-open mo.
Original man na.
Ano ni pulos ni? Ano ni ibis ang upo ibo? Ano charger ang upo no?
dahil charger.
Dili flat.
Nanay kuan pakapin nga katong iyang hapin. Hapin na nung unsa na case.
More jud po ni. Yang
Kuha na ko ni.
Ayaw sa na kuan. Kay na pa 5 days ba ang kuan ana?
ang quarantine.
Replacement. Quarantine. Na.
Ito yun. Salamat, natupad na dyan ako pangarap. Salamat noon. Salamat po tiya.
Kasi magingnan ako si ate.
Ti Gingging.
Ako?
Ano nga pala?
Paso-paso guys ano.
Mall? Bungko?
Dili.
Sa
Bahada.
Sa ano si Bungko.
Guys ano bahada? Oh, basta na kay kuan, quarantine pass. Busy na siya. Busy na siya. Nanonood yung cellphone. Lami na kayo siya smile. Lami na kayo siya smile, oh.
Oh, yeah. Tinaw kayo. Tinaw pa sa imo.
Oh, tanawa dong. Oh, tanaw kayo. Nindot.
Amang ko ano na? Amang kissing ana day.
Nadiri.
Asam sa ako adring naw ka. Naw papangnaw. Taasang
Bayad
pangnaw.
sa, bili muna siya ng SIM.
You pushing it. You ruined my bread. Honey. You ruined my bread. Pasensya na guys, you cannot see my husband because my husband is blind. Because my husband is blind. Anyway, I'm itching now, Han. Oh my god. That's so good. That's so good. I want mine burnt. Okay, when you take yours off, take it off and then lift mine.
You gotta take with other people.
Han,
Bad.
we're different people. So why we're together? This is what I've been saying since yesterday. Why we're together then?
It's like everything now. Like, oh yeah, I don't like it that way. I like it this way. All of a sudden, everything's gonna be
Han,
different.
that's what happened when you get old. Things change.
Is that what it is? You're changing?
Yeah, I changed my
You're gonna change
taste.
your life, you're turning into a...
You're lucky I won't change you. I won't change my husband. My husband will be stay the same. I want my tummy and my tummy mo only. Coffee. Where's your coffee, Han?
Somewhere around here.
You want new one? You still have. Anyway, guys, good morning. Today is I'm going. You know that, Han, right?
What?
I'm going to meet Mira. It's Friday. I leave here like before 12 because I'll be there to pick up Lloydie 12. I gave her the calamansi and some cucumber. Yep. Ayun. I don't know. I'm gonna message her what if she want rice. Hello guys. What time is it? 10:30. So I'm going to harvest. May pasensya na yung asawa ko talaga. Kubad yan dito. Basta kami lang. How do you call that? Dito ako sa sasakyan niya. Kinuha ko yung mga batteries. Yan, kinuha ko din yung mga bill para bayaran. So yun. Labas. I don't water the vegetables this morning, guys. Hopefully hindi talaga siya sobrang mainit mamaya kasi I don't water them. Wala ako, hindi ko talaga sila tinubigyan. Pasensya na guys. Maaga pa naman. Alis ako dito mga 11:40 something. Sobrang laki, look. Kunin na natin ito bago mahinog. Kung makuha natin. Goodness, ito. Kuha tayo ng gloves. Kasi maano siya. Wala, ang dami dito. Okay, dami dito guys. Ala. Ang daming cucumber. Wala, meron pa malaki. Meron pa kasi dito din. Kuha tayo. Malaki na sila. Ano to? Look, ang dami laki. Look. Ang laki. Ang laki. Ang dami na. Wala, shit. Meron pa din isa. Ay, naku. Ang dami guys, look. ang katapusan. Pwede na tayo magbenta. Pwede na tayo magbenta nito. Meron pa dito isa. Laki na ako. Ang dami. Hala. Ang bigat. Ang bigat. Hindi ko kinaya ito, guys. This is the harvest of cucumber of mine that grabe. It's like, oh my God, ang dami. Plus, meron pa ako dito, oh. Ito, ibigay natin ito kay Mera. Ito sa kapatid ni Tami. Kapatid niya yan. Ito kay Mera to. Hello, guys. So, I'm leaving soon. I'm going to leave, Han. I have to put the address first. Hey. I love you. I will rub your body. Can I rub you? Like rub like, you know, what is that? What year? 64. Tignan nyo, guys. Nagluluto pala itong siniran totlop. Hala.
Puro sinuba.
Ang ganda.
Sinuba.
Seafood.
Guys, sabi ko, 3 man lang kami. O, di, tama.
Ano, ano ka pa talaga, uy. Look, andito kami ngayon. Tapos na kaming kumain, guys.
Mom,
Mom.
Move what?
Si Lloydie. Asa si Lloydie?
Antonio, red one.
Yeah.
Nawala. Ano
Hiding,
si
naka-lipstick.
Nakalibang.
Nah!
This is his channel, guys. He has his one video already uploaded.
Check up on Mila, the show Mila.
No, that's not Mira. It's Elmera.
It's Elmera.
Oh, look at
Miscorrected.
Show me your
Show tita.
your ano, look, grabe.
See?
Oh,
Look what I got from. No, that's just disgusting.
what happened? No, it's okay.
I fell off my bike head first.
Ugh.
I love New York. Did I say you can do that?
Yeah. Come here. Show me your armpit.
No, not sure. Stop. You're my editor.
Show me your armpit.
You're my editor.
Be nice. Be nice now.
Like and subscribe, leave a comment, hit the bell. Look, guys, you know I have socks on, it's not gonna work.
You have to do this. Okay, let me remove your hands. We're going to do something.
Si Lloydie.
Be careful, Maxi, because there's a like a water thing on that. Not only just
Look,
Patay si
I
Drura.
tackled some. Yeah.
Be careful.
English.
okay, that's enough. No, that's enough. 'Cause
Yeah,
I
see.
have a video just uploaded. Check on
it's under
Elmera. That's the channel.
I will put the link down below.
Goodbye and have a great time. I love New York.
Look.
Mom, I'm gonna watch a video.
yeah, it's okay.
Ilagay ko to dito. Asan ba to? Dito. Ah.
Tayo kayo dyan lahat. Tayuan.
After here we are.
Nakatambok mo, anak ka.
Paano na kayong dalawa? Yan na kayong dalawa.
Hello! Miss Universe.
Ay, dili ba ya? Uy, dili ba?
Dito, natingnan mo yung
Patay,
Ang sexy, oh. Isang ikot nga dyan, ate.
umikot din. Bye! Thank you sa pagkain.
Appreciate it. Balik ka. Uy, see you bukas.
Ugma, imisid sa ka kung unsa jud ako ingnon mananghid pa ko. My baby is here. He's feeding his kids snacks. That's why they don't eat their dinner. So how's your day? Alone? Oh my God, he's doing something in there again. All the mess. You do your coins? When did you stop? Oh. We go from here. Hi guys, hello guys, hello guys. Hi guys. So ngayon nagbihis ako kasi gusto kong komportable. Ang sikip-sikip ng mga damit ko, yung bra ko, yung ginaganon yung ano ko. Ganun ko, sabi ko, magbihis nga tayo para hindi tayo bitok. Kasi kapag hindi ka mag-ibihis at saka hindi ka komportable, bibitukin ka day. Bitukin ka. Daming bitok. So, kaya kapag hindi kayo komportable sa mga suot ninyo, magbihis kayo agad para walang bitok. Advertise yan sa mga walang bihis, ginabitok. Alam mo, nagpaplano akong maglagay ng magtubig, magdilig ng mga gulay. Kaso sabi ko, hindi man sila nagluluod. Okay pa man yung mga ano nila. Sabi ko, di wag. Where do we go from here? From here, where do we go? Where do we go? Where do we go? Here do we go? So ngayon, pakainin ko na yung mga anak ko kasi si Tami, ang pinakain lang niya is yung mga pusa. Ano namin, paminsan siya yung mag-ano ng pusa, paminsan ako. Pero ayaw ko talaga nito guys, yung mga magbigay ng pagkain kasi been like 7 years? Pinakain ko tong mga to, 6 years? 7? Hindi ko na alam. Ayan din paminsan, hindi pa sila excited. Hindi pa sila excited na pinakain mo sila. Hindi sila excited. So, anong mangyayari? Ha? Gusto mo bang pakainin yung mga ganon na hindi excited? Libre pa nga yung pinakain sa kanila. Pinatulog pa sila dito. Meron pa silang unan, meron silang air conditioning, meron silang heater, meron silang couch, meron silang bed. Anong gusto nila? Yun na, nakakapagod yung ganun. Nagsasalita ako dito, pero yung asawa ko nakikinig somewhere, nagtataka na yan talagang sa isip niya, akala niya nakapag-asawa siyang baliw. At saka doon siyang hindi talaga siya nagkamali. Doon talagang pinapromise ko baliw yung asawa niya.
Charot lang.
So kaya, wag niyo akong kasabaan ha, na napapagod akong pakainin itong mga alaga ko kasi ganito yung ano namin, kadramahan namin sa buhay. Nakakapagod kasi kapag, di ba kung ikaw bigyan ng pagkain, libre pa, so hindi ka ba masaya nun? Hindi ka na nagtrabaho, natulog-tulog ka pa doon, umihi ka pa paminsan doon, and then hindi ka pa kumakain, libre na nga, halik-halikan ka pa kahit walang ligo. Di ano, aywan ko talaga. Kaya sabi ko, nakakapagod itong routine, especially in the morning. Hindi ko na alam, wala akong pakialam sa'yo, Roxy. Misty, Roxy, Hubs, Dimples, wala na akong pakialam sa inyo. Roxy, Misty! Okay, kain ha, libre po ito. Huwag kayong magpihik-pihik ka, no? Pihik-pihik, Nagtataka na yun at saka naglalabati. That's my underwear. That's my underwear.
Imagine that. Good thing. I don't think it'll fit.
Hey.
Hey.
That's my underwear. Look, my husband, guys, how good he is, guys. He's folding my ugly underwear in the world. That's how good he is, guys. Look at my bra. Oh, you're such a good husband. Oh, you're such a good husband, no? Pagka-utos, utos-utosan na lang ni. Utosan. He is such a good husband. Oh, look at him, guys. Oh, he's doing laundry. Thank you, hon. Hon, what is that? No?
Not really.
Honey, relax, honey, oy. Han, relax, Han. Sumakit na naman yung ano niya, dibdib. Tagalaba talaga siya. Ako, hindi ko nga matupi-tupi yung nilabhan ko dito po. Ilagay ka na lang to dito. Para isang ano na lang. God. Anyway, guys. It's already 9:24. And I'm leaving my husband. I have my bag here with me. Bye, Tommy. Come here.
On the run?
Yeah, bye-bye.
Man, you're not really dressed to travel.
Yeah, let's go. I'm ready. I'm ready. Come here. This is how I sleep. I have my bag with me. Anyway, guys, we're gonna end the vlog. I'm just kidding. I'm not leaving. We're going to end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Ilagay ko lang dito yung bag. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Good night. Good night mga ka-everything. Good night.